Okay, hi guys. I'm going to show you today how to access the Shield so you can work on it from home, and then I'm going to show you how to upload a GIF so you can do it if you want. Now, this is the Shield presentation. It has this blank shield down here. I'll make it full screen so you can see it better. It has this blank one down here. You're going to go to File and make a copy. I would do entire presentation. That way you're not, if you use mine as a reference, you're not switching back and forth. But when you do that, you can label it like your name and the presentation. You can make it a copy of the untitled presentation. And it'll just be here for you. You got to give it a second. My computer's kind of slow. There we go. And now you can do this all on your own and it won't be impacted by anything anyone else does on their computer. Every other year I've done this, and something like it, I give it on a piece of paper, and you cut it out, and you color it, and you can like print pictures or take magazine clippings. You can still do that if that's easier for you, if you're working from home or you have the supplies to do this. I can't give any paper out, but you can, by all means, if you'd rather draw it than use computer images, absolutely. You can go in and you can make a shield yourself and then draw in the boxes. Have the slogan down here. You can not use the shield at all if you would rather just break it into 4 sections and have the images. You can do that. If you want to find a whole different shield and make it your own, you can do that. I really don't care. This is just a template if you are a little stuck. And what I'm going to show you is, so if you want to insert images, the easiest way is to go to insert image. If it's going to be like a picture of your family or you, for someone who influences you, you can upload it from your computer or you can search the web. A thing comes here. I looked up Jonah Hill GIF because I was trying to find a different one. I couldn't. That won't work. To get a GIF, it's best to go to something like Giphy. I looked up Beyonce because she is the person I idolize the most. Look at all these GIFs. I like this one from Lemonade. She's not playing. Who would? You open it. You go to copy link. This pops up. You go to GIF link. I'm hitting Command C. I'm copying it. See, it's been copied to my clipboard now. It says it right up here. I go back to here. I go to insert. I go to image. And I go down to by URL. And then I just paste it. And there's your girl, Queen Bee. Kicking butt and taking names. I like the fire in the background. I feel like it's very formidable. Formidable means scary. And then I can resize it and put it right in here. See? And so now I have 2 GIFs. Now to break it down for you a little easier, what you're doing is you're doing an animal or a creature, a character that represents you. The reason I say creature is because if it's like a dragon and you're like, I am a dragon, cool. By all means, get a dragon. I love flamingos. I think they are very connected to me. They are in my yard. I have Christmas flamingos that look like reindeer a little bit. So I have images of the flamingo. This box over here is something you do to relieve stress, to unwind, to relax, something you really enjoy doing. And I enjoy running. As soon as I finish recording this and uploading it, it's what I am gonna actually go and do outside. Someplace you really enjoy, someplace that's peaceful for you, your favorite place in the world. I love the beach. I lived in Hawaii for a really long time, 6 years. And I live near the water in East Haven right now. I'm actually going to run to the beach. And so that's why I picked that. And then someone you look up to. I think Beyonce is a strong woman. I think she is an artist. I think that she is an entrepreneur. And I think she's someone a lot of little girls can look up to and be like, I am strong, I am fierce, I am powerful, just like her. And I think her music is bops. And then down here, I haven't done it yet, but you're going to do a phrase that makes you feel better and encourages you and makes you feel strong and powerful. And I'm just going to put something like, we got this. I'm not going to go really deep. But if you have a song lyric or something that motivates you, by all means. I'm going to give you guys some time to work on this. You'll submit it along with a writing, or you can record yourself if you know how to record yourself. Going through it and uploading that, you can do that instead of writing it for right now so that we can share out a little bit. And get to know each other before the academics of the school year start. It's just a small project, pretty easy. But again, you have to have one GIF or one video in here. It doesn't have to be of you. It could be like these dogs on a treadmill or Beyonce. You can have your own images, you can draw, you can insert images, and then you can either write about what you have in here or record it like I am and send me the recording so I can get to know you guys a little better. I really do want to try to get to know who you are, and it's a little bit more challenging because we're not together every day in person, like having small, like, how was your day conversations. So we're going to start by doing a lot of these kind of things. They might seem kind of lame, but they really help me to understand who you guys are and your personalities. So this is going to be your first assignment. It's going to go in as your first content knowledge assignment, even though it's not strong on content, just so that you guys can start off with a pretty good grade.